basically in this video we're going to make an origami parrot. As you can see here, it's actually really easy to make. You'll be able to make it on your first try. So yeah, let's get into it. So you're going to need to take a piece of paper. You're going to fold it in half. And with this paper, you don't want it to be like the same color on both sides because it makes it like it doesn't look as good. Then open it up, fold that edge there to the middle. And do the same with the other side. Now it should look like this, and you fold this part here back like this. So on this side it should look like this, then this side should look like this. Now come on to this side and fold in this, like this line to here, like that, and do the same to the other side. Now you're gonna take this part here and just put your finger down here and pull it out a bit, and you fold down this corner here. So it's basically like a squash fold, if any of you know what that is. And then you basically do the same to the other side. So get this corner, put your finger down here and push down. So I'm just giving you a view from the other side. Oops, I didn't do mine perfect, but it doesn't 100% matter. Now you're going to fold this in half like so. Now you're going to do is fold your head. So to fold the head, you're going to push down here and just pull the beak a bit like that. Then you're going to open his body up. You're going to fold this back here like that. Then you fold this back like this. Or you could keep his tail like that if you wanted to, but then he wouldn't be able to stand up as well. Now for the feet, you're going to fold, open them back up, fold this little footy part here like that. Now you're gonna do it do the same to the other side like that. Now you're going to fold him in half again and he'll be finished. And now you have the option to draw a face on him if you want to. And yeah, so that's the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah.